Hello, fellow chefs. Tonight I am making my first ever lasagna. What I did was I soaked the noodles first, and then as I was cooking the sauce, the noodles were getting to the right texture, and so then I started layering the noodles and the meat. You could use just if you're vegetarian, you can use just vegetables. But I'm doing a meat tonight, and I'm going to put it in the oven uh, at 350 degrees for half an hour. And I'll show you the results if there's any left. All right, take care and see you next time.